Good morning. Buenos dias.
Who is someone who is generous and considerate and sees a bigger picture of the world? Because those are the people you want to be around. Are they people who see that the opportunities just get bigger when we help each other? When you find someone who says, oh no, well, I still don't want to network with you, you say, great, you're not going to be on my roster of referrals. Box checked, done. In terms of small business and women starting small businesses and what that means for this economy, all of you should have that roster. When someone says, I'm looking for, who are the names that you've got? Sorry, this is what the guys do. And start doing that for each other. Someone says they need it, be able to roll off your tongue. Yeah, I've got the person. Here's who it is. My mentor took me out for lunch. He said, do you notice anything, Kelly, about the bankruptcy bar in Toronto? And I'm thinking in my mind, they all look like you, right? He said, yeah. And we all play golf. So the question is, Kelly, do you play golf? And I paused and I looked at him and I said, I guess I'm going to learn. And he said to me, that is absolutely the right answer.
Better on even more. Here. Chicken breast looks good, right?
So
And then touch this.
that's kind of, yeah, we're kind of there.
He's right here.
I think a lot of times people assume that you need someone to say it's okay to do something, and it's really, you just do it.
I'm heavy on certifications. I am woman-owned, minority-owned, small business woman-owned, ISO, and green certified. It's important for me and my employees to realize that, you know, we have to watch out for our earth.
You've got to be able to ascertain who's telling you what you want to hear and who's going to tell you the real deal. We have to be thinking about what's around the corner and anticipate that, and then be planning ahead.